There we go. I don't know if this thing's gonna like spring out. If this whole door was down, we don't have to worry about it like springing open and shooting at us. Yeah, just let it fall. Finally got rid of that roll-up door. So much dust and crap is coming in there. Now they're installing the glass storefront door. When this is done today, they'll have glass, double storefront door right here, and if they have time, they're gonna install the glass in the conference room today too. We've ripped down, or started off with us ripping down the roll-up door. They got the glass storefront doors in, but the glass they had was 2 foot too short, so we're putting plywood in its place. Tony and all the guys terminated all the data in all the offices. I'm about to count how many wall plates we need so they can put all that on. We have Sean and Kobe unloading the second truck from the old shop to here to bring over all of our junk. So we're slowly moving out, so it's not one big hard move when we run out of time. And that's it for today.
This is for the Digital Dreams YouTube. Moving to the new shop, very exciting. Love all the fans, like and subscribe, baby. Hit that follow button, hit the noti button, noti bell, hit that noti.